To find the gain of a Mosfet transistor that has a resistor in the source or has a source degeneration resistance, we have to consider it in our gain equation. Gain is V out over Vn. So this is my V out and this is my Vin. Of course, it's not the VGS. Vn is to ground. It's all this, the voltage from here to ground, not the voltage between these two nodes. So the voltage out is this current going through this resistance. Since this is ground, this should be the voltage source, DC power, and since this is a small signal model, it is connected to ground. Like the drain node is connected to ground. The RO resistance is internal resistance of the MOSFET. Sometimes you have to include it, sometimes you don't. It depends. In this case, I'm including it. So the V out is going to be whatever current I have, GM VGS times RO. And it's gonna be negative. Why? Because this current is going out of ground. It's a negative current. Current goes from positive to negative, and ground in this case is the negative, so it's going this way. So you know it's a negative current. That's for V out. As for Vn, well, we can just say VGS, because in reality, it's VGS plus whatever voltage drop you have right here. All right, thanks. So we're gonna do a KVL. This will be positive, this would be the negative. So if I go around this way, the voltage right here, what is it? It's gonna be the current that goes in here, GM VGS times RS, that's just Ohm's law, plus go around VGS. So this is my Vn. So I do this, Vm VGS times RS plus VGS. Now, if I take the VGS as a common factor and remove it, I'm gonna get GM RO over GM RS plus 1. And that's your gain. Ta-da!